What's up, everyone? Thanks for joining me on WellnessKE. My name is Fatma. Today, I'm going to show you how you can be able to prepare a delicious chia seed pudding using our very own chia seeds. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button for you to know every time we post a new video. Now, this delicious recipe is going to be easy to make and it's going to be fresh and healthy for you if you're looking to kickstart your healthy journey with a healthy breakfast or a healthy midday snack. That's right, and I can't wait for us to get started. But before we get to that, let me give a big shout out to some of our clients who have been using our WellnessKE products, especially chia seeds. Congratulations to all of you ladies as you kickstart your healthy journey, and I continue to wish you great health. Don't forget to place your orders for organic chia seeds at 450 shillings. Okay, so for us to get started, we are going to need some chia seeds and we are also going to need some water and some fresh fruit. So we'll start off by actually taking 2 spoons of chia seeds and pouring into a bowl. Make sure that you have a big enough bowl because we're going to add some water so that we can be able to soak the chia seeds. And once we pour water into this bowl, you're going to need to stir continuously. This is because anytime you need to use or to eat chia seeds, it's very important for you to soak them in water and continue stirring so that you can have a gel-like consistency. So every time you eat chia seeds, don't forget you need to soak them in water, in milk, or in any plant-based milk of choice. So chia seeds are actually very healthy for you. They are very rich in fiber, which is essential if you're trying to maintain a healthy weight, if you're fighting conditions like insulin resistance, diabetes, obesity, hormonal weight, hormonal belly fat, and also high blood pressure. And chia seeds are actually rich in healthy fats. If you're wondering why you have to eat healthy fats, it's because healthy fats are the building blocks of hormones. So if you struggle with hormonal imbalance, fertility issues, menstrual cycle issues, then you need to add chia seeds into your diet because they're actually going to help in perfect hormone production. And so after an hour, this is what the chia seeds look like. This is the consistency you're looking for. If you have more time, you can actually leave them longer to soak longer. But then if you don't, then an hour is still enough. 30 minutes is also still enough because you'll find that you'll have that gel-like consistency. And as I mentioned, you can actually use milk, you can use yogurt, or you can use plant milk like sesame seed milk. If you don't know how to prepare your very own sesame milk, we're going to link the video right here so that you know how you can be able to prepare it from home. And now it's time for us to add the chia seeds and actually make our delicious fresh pudding. So you'll add 2 spoons of the chia seeds and then you're going to add the mango in there and you're going to add the apple. If you don't have mangoes or apples, make sure that you use the fruit that is in season. This is actually better and healthier for you. So you could actually go with pawpaw or you could go with pineapple. You can even add a vegetable like a cucumber in there. It'll still work just fine. Don't forget, we want this to be high in fiber, high in good soluble fiber, and also rich in healthy fats. This is one of the best ways for you to actually start your day because it's a healthier source of breakfast. It's a healthier breakfast for you if you're trying to maintain a healthy weight. If you're trying to ensure that you don't keep spiking your blood sugar levels, this is one of the best ways to do it. And this is our final spoonful of the chia seed gel. I'm sure by now you want to know what's going to come on top of that. We're actually going to add some pumpkin seeds, which happen to be one of my favorite. So if you have some nuts like almonds, if you have peanuts, or if you even have other seeds like sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, whichever you have, you can actually use as toppings. If you have dates, if you have raisins, you can add them on top. Or if you have organic yogurt, you can actually pour on top and enjoy this as a very healthy breakfast. And there you have it, your very simple, easy to prepare chia seed pudding that is delicious. It's great for weight loss, it's great for maintaining a healthy body, and it's one of the best ways for you to start your day the healthy way. Remember, you can actually place your orders for organic chia seeds at 450 shillings. We deliver countrywide. All you have to do is to leave us a comment and we'll be able to actually deliver it to you at your destination. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to leave us a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll know every single time we post a new video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.